Natural Language Searching for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. In 1950s science fiction, a person sits at a giant computer, types in a question, the computer clicks and flashes and spits out a card or a stream of paper that contains the answer. That is a true natural language search. You ask a question, you get the answer. This is not what Lexis, Westlaw, and Bloomberg Law natural language searches do. These natural language searches are primarily relevancy ranking search engines. They are word searches that pull up documents that contain your search terms, just like Boolean searches, but because you don't need to know the Boolean search connectors, only the natural words used in spoken language, these search engines are called natural language or plain language searches. The original natural language search engines took the words in your search and eliminated the noise words, those words too common to be considered part of a real search, the, in, of, etc. Next, they weighted the remaining words in your search by how common they were in the database, with less common words weighted more heavily. The systems then counted the instances of your terms in the documents and maybe how near the words were to each other, and returned a short, relevancy-ranked list of documents that contained the greatest density of search terms, especially uncommon search terms. Plain language legal research systems are constantly improving. They are variations on the original natural language search with some predictive artificial intelligence incorporated. Some of how these systems perform searches are trade secrets, and some parts of their algorithms are protected by patent law. But you can get better search results if you understand how the system reacts with your search terms. Westlaw's plain language search engine is a relevancy ranking search on steroids. Given that it is harder to identify what you forgot to ask for than it is to remove what is returned that you don't want, Westlaw adds terms commonly associated with the terms you entered, including classifications from the West Digest topic and key number system. This sometimes gets you search results that don't actually contain any of your search terms, but it also eliminates many documents that have some of your search terms but are not relevant to your inquiry. Relevancy ranking now includes relationships between documents and document characteristics, doing a better job of bringing potentially relevant documents to the beginning of your search results list, but you still need to look at more than the first result returned by the search engine. Early Lexis natural language searches actually had features that let you see how your search terms were weighted and how many instances of each term occurred in each document in your search results list. You could see why you got your search results and where your search terms occurred. The current Lexis natural language search engine is designed to get you the same results whether you filter your results before or after searching. But if your search is likely to retrieve a large number of results, it's a good idea to target your search by jurisdiction or practice area or both before running your search. Lexis Plus AI has a conversational search option, which uses generative AI to provide an answer in the form of an answer with citations to the authorities it relies on. Even though the answer looks like an answer to the question presented, it may not be the correct answer, and the authorities must be read and synthesized by the researcher just as much as with the other types of search engines. Westlaw also has added an AI-assisted conversational search engine that allows you to ask a series of questions to generate search results. Don't forget, we still don't have the natural language search of the 1950s science fiction. Whether you are searching with a Boolean search engine, a natural language search engine, or even a generative AI search engine, legal analysis usually involves a synthesis of a number of documents. Be sure to examine a number of documents in your results to find those that work the best for the research tasks you are performing. The document that appears at the top of your search results may only be a piece of your answer.